Okay, all of you, welcome back. Welcome, Saturnin's classes. Welcome back, all of you. All are welcome to. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. Welcome to Saturnin's classes. Today we are going to discuss about 100 NEET questions about which chapter? Body fluid and circulation. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about body fluid and circulation. Okay, 100 NEET questions. Adil, so today is 6. Adil, you don't worry, your physics exam inshallah is a maximum. Simple, okay? Don't worry. Okay, Adil, see you tomorrow. See you today night, okay? Okay, Adil? Okay, you enjoy your exam. Your physics exam today is very easy, no problem. You don't worry. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, today we are going to discuss 100 NEET question. Actually, this is NCERT fingertips materials. Okay, NCERT fingertips material, and I think this contain the fingertips contain 125 questions. Okay, 125 questions. Body fluid and circulation. Actually, NCERT fingertips is a first level, basic level questions. Is first level questions. Not a difficult question, it's a very simple questions. Okay, 125 questions. Okay, now we are going to discuss about in details details. Okay, let us start, guys. 125 question NCERT fingertips. Okay, let us start. We are going to discuss 125 question, and first of all you want details about my class. You join my WhatsApp channel. Okay, the link I give the description box. Okay, first of all you enter, you join to my WhatsApp channel. I send my 1 week classes schedule and details my WhatsApp channel. Okay, you join. Okay, let's start. The first question, guys, the blood. First question is blood. Come on, first question is blood. Okay, guys, first question. Blood, topic blood. The first NCERT page. Okay, look here. The color of plasma is. The first question. The color of plasma is. The color of plasma is. The 4 option is given here. The pale yellow, the pale orange, the bright orange, and the brick red. Which is answer? Yeah, our NCERT mentioned the color of the plasma is. Our NCERT mentioned the color of the plasma is. Which is answer? The pale yellow. Okay, our NCERT mentioned the color of plasma is pale yellow. Okay, guys, the option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Okay, the next, come on, the next question. So very simple question. Next, the simple. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. The next question. Consider the following 4 statements and the select correct option, starting which one are true and which one are false. Okay. Given is a 4 option. Some options are false and some options are true. Okay, which is answer? Come on, look here, guys. The protein contribute 6 to 8% of the plasma. The statement correct or false? Yes, the statements are correct. Okay, the 6 to 8% plasma contain protein is a correct. The plasma contain very high amount of minerals. That's options are correct. No, because the plasma contain 1 to 2% only minerals, not a high amount. These statements are false. Okay, the next, the plasma with without the clotting factor is called serum. The statement plasma without clotting factor is called, which option is correct? Yes, come on. Yes. The yes correct the correct statement if you have NCERT book. The correct statement of NCERT book. The plasma without the clotting factor is called serum. The statement is correct. The last statement, the glucose, amino acids, lipid, etc. are present in the plasma as they always transition in the body. The statement is correct. Statement is correct. Come on. No. Yes, it's correct. The correct statement. The glucose, amino acids, lipid, etc. are also present in the plasma. Yes, the plasma contain body minerals, the body nutrients, everything present in plasma as they always transit in the body. Yes, the statements are correct. The option 1, 3, 4 is correct. Come on, true and false and true. Okay, which options are correct? The option B is the answer. Very simple questions. Okay, guys. Okay, ready? Okay. The next question. Come on. Look here, guys. Next. Identify incorrect statements. Come on. The next question. Identify the incorrect statements. Which is incorrect statements? First you read question. Give me answer. Come on. Which is answer? First of all, identify the incorrect statements. Okay. The fibrinogen are needed for coagulation of blood. Statements are correct, but incorrect statement is one. Okay, this statement are correct. The globulin are involved in defense mechanism of the body. The statements is a correct statements. Okay, correct statement. Yes. The next, the albumin help in osmotic balance. Okay, the statement is correct. Okay, the statement is correct. And the next, the clotting factor are present in the plasma in an active form. No, it is inactive form. The statement is problem. The statements are incorrect. Okay, the statements are incorrect. Okay, guys, you share my channel link in all your group. Okay, all your friend. Okay, you discuss. Okay, you send. So only 2 persons only in WhatsApp channel. So more persons are wanted to watch my channel. Only 2 persons. Okay, come on. Okay, we understood. Okay, which is answer? Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Okay, the next question, number 4 question. Okay, guys, the everyday. Okay, guys, our NEET exam May 3rd. Okay, May 3rd is our NEET exam. Today December 60. Okay, today December 60. Our NEET exam is May 3rd. Okay, the continuous every morning. I give you the different chapters, all the biology. Our discuss 100 needs question, the different material. Okay, the look here, guys, is a good material. Our discuss this material. Okay, and later, and it is NCERT master NCERT is a good material. Our discuss this question here. Okay, and NEET guide is here. It is NEET guide. Our discuss the questions in here. Okay, and NCERT punch and the different materials here. Okay, the all questions are our discuss about in certain classes. Okay, you subscribe and you join our WhatsApp channel. Okay, I give you the more information about our classes. Okay, the every morning, just not the every morning 6 o'clock I give you the English class. The night I give the Malayalam class. Okay, Malayalam. It is English class every morning, every 6 o'clock. Okay, ready? Okay, let us start. Next question. The factor for the next question, guys. Next question, number 4th question. Okay, guys. The factors for coagulation are also present in the NCERT line. It is NCERT line. Okay, NCERT, the line is very important. You must still read 10 or 20 times NCERT line with line. You read mustily NCERT line with line mustily 20 times or 25 times. Okay, you study the line. Okay, the factors are coagulation are also present in the which option is a plasma. Two option is given here. Two option option A or option D. Okay, plasma in active or inactive form. Active or inactive form is an inactive form. Option A is answer. The plasma in inactive form, plasma without a clotting factor is called serum. Option A is the answer. Okay, it's a good question. Good question. Our NCERT questions, our pure NCERT question. Option A is the answer. Okay, option A is the answer. Okay, next question. Next, which of the following? Come on, guys. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding blood? Which of the following statement incorrect regarding blood? Okay, guys, look here, guys. It is the most common used body fluid. Statements are correct. We want incorrect statement, but these statements are correct. Is the most commonly used body fluid is a blood. It's correct, and is a special connective tissue. Yes, these statements are correct. Okay, it is a special connective tissue. Okay, the statements are correct. Okay, the next question. It consists. Come on. It consists of a fluid matrix, plasma and formed element. Statements are correct. Okay, the statements also correct. And the last, the formed elements constitute nearly 75% of the blood. No. The formed element constitute 45% of the blood. The statements are incorrect. Option D is the answer. Okay, ready? Option D is the answer. The next, come on, next question. The sixth question. Come on, guys. Come on. Which is answer? The question number 6. Sixth question. Everybody can? Sixth question. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statements are incorrect? Okay. The erythrocytes are least all the cell. The erythrocytes are the least all of the cell in blood. Erythrocyte? No. Erythrocyte means is RBC. RBC is the most abundant blood cell in blood. Okay. The statements are incorrect. Okay, the statements are incorrect. Yeah, sure. It's incorrect. The number of RBC in healthy adult man is 5 to 5.5 is correct. RBC are formed in the red bone marrow in the adult is correct. RBC is nucleated in most of the mammals. That statements are correct. Okay, the 3 statements are correct, but the statement 1 is incorrect. Okay, statement 1 is which statements are incorrect? Statement A is incorrect. Okay, ready? Okay, guys, option A is the answer. The next, the question number 7. Okay, guys, question number 7. Okay, the lifespan of human erythrocyte is approximately. Which is answer? Approximately. Which is answer? Okay. 120 days. It's a pure NCERT question. 120 days. The RBC or erythrocyte living. The lifespan is 120 day. Okay, 8 question. Okay, 8 question, come on, 8 question. Read the following statements and select correct option. Read the following statements and select correct option. Statement 1 is spleen is called graveyard of RBC is correct statement. Okay, after 120 day the RBC die or RBC destroy in spleen. The spleen is called graveyard of RBC. The RBC divide nucleus. Okay, the RBC contain absent nucleus. RBC divide nucleus. RBC contain absent nucleus in human. Okay, in human, but RBC present RBC present nucleus in all mammal, the statements are incorrect. Okay, human RBC without a nucleus, but because the more spaces are used filled with hemoglobin, the human RBC absent nucleus because the more spaces used for filling hemoglobin, but all mammals contain, or all mammals RBC contain nucleus. The statements are incorrect. Which is answer? The statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. With the answer is option B. Okay, it's a very simple question, super question. Okay. The ninth questions. Okay, ninth questions. Come on. Which of the following is true for WBC? Which of the following true statement? Which statements are true? Okay. Which of the following statements are true about the WBC? WBC non-nucleated. No. The WBC is a nucleated. Statements are incorrect. It's a colorless. No. Colorless? No. Color? Is colorless? Yes. Is colorless? Yes. And generally short-lived is correct. The B and C are correct, but answer option D is option. Okay, both B and C. Okay, which is answer? Option D is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, guys. The next question. Okay, good question. The next question. Which of the following is a granulocyte? Which of the following? Come on, guys. Which is answer? Which of the following is a granulocyte? Who is a granulocytes? Come on. Give me answer. Who is a granulocytes? Granulocytes and agranulocytes. Okay. Basophil, neutrophil, eosinophils are granulocytes. Okay. Who is answer? The basophil is a granulocytes. Neutrophil is a granulocytes. Eosinophil is a granulocyte, but the lymphocytes are granulocytes. Okay, granulocytes and agranulocytes. The lymphocytes are agranulocytes. Which is answer? The 10C is the answer. Okay, is a lymphocytes. The next question is a very, very super question, guys. The 11th question. Which is answer? Anybody? Come on. Which is answer? Come on. Good question. Our NCERT figure. Super question. Come on, which is answer? Anybody? No. The option is here. It is your option. The monocyte, basophil, eosinophil, blood platelet, monocyte, eosinophil, neutrophils. Which is answer? Come on, guys. I'll give you the answer. Okay, guys, come on, look here. First of all, you are study detail in your NCERT book. Who is this? It is, come on, it is basophil, because basophil nucleus is S-shaped nucleus. Okay, it is S-shaped nucleus is basophil. So okay, the basophil is S-shaped nucleus. And who is this? It is B is platelet. Okay, who is this? B is platelet. Okay, platelet. Which option is given here? Basophil. Okay, basophil, blood platelet. Option C or D is answer. The next, who is that? See option. The next, base monocyte or eosinophil. Who is this? Some monocyte or eosinophil. Who is this? Is monocyte or eosinophil? Any idea? Okay. Who is this? It is. It is monocyte, because the kidney-shaped nucleus is a kidney-shaped. Okay, it is kidney-shaped nucleus is called a monocyte. Kidney-shaped nucleus is monocyte. Who is this? It is bilobed. Headphone-shaped nucleus is eosinophil. Okay, it's eosinophil. It is monocyte. It is monocyte because the kidney-shaped nucleus. It is headphone-shaped, bilobed, headphone-shaped nucleus is eosinophil. It is eosinophil. And the option last, who is E? You know, who is E? Who is E? You know, that is neutrophil because it is neutrophil because multi-lobed nucleus. It is one lobe, two lobe, three lobe, four lobe. Okay, it is multi-lobed nucleus. It is multi-lobed nucleus is neutrophil, and bilobed headphone nucleus is eosinophil. Okay, you write your NCERT book. You write your hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Okay, good morning. Okay, good morning. Hi dear, good morning. First of all, you study your NCERT book. Who is this? Is it multi-lobed nucleus is called a neutrophil, and bilobed headphone nucleus is eosinophil, and kidney-shaped nucleus is called a monocyte. Okay, the S-shaped nucleus is basophil. Okay, it is idea. It is idea. Okay, easily you crack your exam. Okay, it is your idea. Okay, which is answer? Come on, give answer. Come on, which is answer? Basophil, blood platelet, monocyte, eosinophil, and neutrophil. Okay, option C is the answer. Okay, option C is the answer. Okay, good idea. The basophil. Come on, basophil is S-shaped nucleus. Okay, and monocyte is kidney-shaped nucleus, and eosinophil is bilobed headphone nucleus. Okay, neutrophil is multi-lobed nucleus. It is the idea. Easily you crack your exam. Okay, easily crack your exam. Okay, it is the idea for your study. Okay, then next talk. Next question. Find the correct. Next guys. Okay. Okay, next question. The find correct descending order of percentage of proportion of leukocytes in human blood. Good question. Good question. Super question. Good question. Come on, which is answer? Come on, which is answer? Okay, you got it? Sanja, you got it? Find the correct descending order. Okay, descending order. Who is the most abundant WBC in neutrophil? Okay, the neutrophils are the most abundant. Neutrophils are the most abundant. Basophil is the least abundant. Okay, basophil is the least abundant. Who is basophil? Is a basophil. Okay, its answer is quick answer. Simple. Yes, answer it is answer because the most abundant neutrophil, the monocyte no, lymphocyte no, the most abundant neutrophil is the most abundant, basophil is the least abundant, most it's a neutrophil, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophil and basophil, which is answer option C is the answer. So very simple. Okay, simple. Okay, very quick. Visit second. You can crack a question within seconds. It's a simple questions. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay. The next question. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Which of the following statements are incorrect? 13th question. Come on. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Monocytes are involved in inflammatory reaction. Monocytes are involved in inflammatory reaction? No, the monocytes are involved in phagocytic because these options are incorrect. These options are incorrect. Okay, these options are incorrect. RBC and blood platelet are produced by bone marrow. Yes, RBC produced in bone marrow and platelet produced megakaryocyte, special cells in bone marrow produced by platelet. Okay, option 2 is correct answer. And the neutrophil are non-phagocytic nature. No, it's a phagocytic nature. Is option 3 is incorrect. The lymphocytes are responsible for immune response is correct. Option which one is question? Incorrect statement. Option 1 and 3 is a 1 and 3. Who is 1 and 3? Is a 1 and 3. Option C is the answer. 1 and 3 is incorrect statements. Okay. The 14th questions. Okay. Come on, the 42 questions. Okay, guys, my language is not good, I know that, but I think you follow. Okay, you can follow. It's my classes because Okay, you follow, you can follow. Okay, come on, guys. Which of the following statement is incorrect about leukocytes? Which of the following statement is incorrect about leukocytes? Again, same questions. Again, same concept, same questions. Come on. They are generally long-lived. No, short-lived. The statements are incorrect. Neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil are different type of granulocytes. Is it correct? Yes. It's correct statements. Granulocyte. Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil are granulocytes. Is correct. The third, the neutrophil secrete histamine, serotonin, saccharin. No, neutrophil, basophil secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin, and the statements are incorrect. The megakaryocyte special cell found in the bone marrow. Yes, it's correct. Which is answer incorrect. Incorrect statements. Which is answer 193. Okay, 193 is same. Option C. 193 is the answer. 193 is the answer. Okay, ready. Okay, the 50th question. The question number 15. Come on. In a healthy adult man, the type of leukocyte responsible for immune response. In a healthy adult man, the type of leukocytes responsible for immune response. No healthy adult man. It's just a confusing question. The average person, the healthy, the human, the leukocyte immune response. The average person immune response are, who is an immune response? Not a basophil, not a monocytes, and not a eosinophil, and it is lymphocytes. Okay, the adult man is just a confusion. Just to confuse it. Don't worry. The average person's immune system is responsible for lymphocytes, which is answer option D is the answer. Okay, option D is answer. And the 16th question, come on. Select the correct statements about thrombocytes. Okay, correct. Thrombocytes. Okay, thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are cell fragments produced from megakaryocytes. Okay, the option 1 is correct. And B, the blood normally contain 1.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh platelet is correct. The reduction of the platelet causes clotting disorder is correct, because the answer is all of this. The all statements are correct about thrombocytes. Okay, good question. Then the next question, the question number is 17. 17th question. Okay, the reduction in number of platelets lead to. Okay, the number of platelet lead to. The reduction number of platelet is lead to. Okay, which is disorder? Which disorder? Clotting disorder? Yeah, clotting disorder. Excessive loss of in blood? Yeah, okay. The reduction number of platelet reduced. Our blood, the platelet is reduced. What happened? The clotting disorders and excessive loss of blood. Okay, and allergy, no. Okay, yeah, and B, yes. Option D is answer, because the platelet necessary for blood coagulation. The platelet necessary for blood coagulation. What happened? The platelet in the number of platelet is lead to the reduction. Yes, the platelet number is reduced, the clotting disorder happen, and excessive loss of blood is happen, which is answer option both A and B, and option D is the answer. Okay, good question. It's a good question. Next question, come on. Option 18th question. Okay, 18th question. Which one of the following statement is correct? Okay, guys, come on. Which one of the following statement is correct with respect to the principle safe transfusion? Okay, first of all, how to blood transfusion. Okay, guys, look here. Is a recipient, a donor is have. The recipient receive blood, the donor is transferred to blood. Donor transfer blood into recipient. Recipient is a receive blood. Okay. First of all, you guys, the recipient have antibody. Example, the recipient antibody is A. The recipient antibody is A, and the donor antigen is A. That's A. It is the recipient antibody is A, and the donor antigen is A. The both A. What happened? The blood transfusion is not happened. The blood are clotted. He said it is lead to much small problems. Okay, look here guys, it is a simple idea. Okay, this simple idea for blood transfusion. Okay, look here guys, come on, which one of the following statement is correct with respect to the principle of safe blood transfusion? The donor red blood corpuscles should not contain antibody. The donor red blood corpuscle, not the blood corpuscle, should not contain antibody against the recipient serum. Okay, is no, because again no, it's a donor red blood corpuscle contain antigen, not antibody. Contain antibody against the corpuscle. No, it's a mistake. It's a something mistake. The next, the recipient serum should not contain antigen against the donor antibody. Yes, is correct. Yes, the recipient serum should not contain antigen. Antigen no. Against the donor antibody, yes, the blood transfusion is occurs because it's a safe. Okay, option B is the answer. Okay, option B is the answer. Okay, you understood? I thought you understood. Okay. And the recipient serum should not contain the antibody against the antigen present is a red blood corpuscle of the donor. No, not happen. The recipient red blood corpuscle should not contain antibody against the donor antigen. No, it's not happen. The best option B is the answer. Okay, option B is the answer. Okay, next question. Okay, ready. Okay, you first of all understood the basic information. Recipient receive blood. Okay, receive blood. The donor transfer the blood. Okay, the recipient antibody B and the donor antigen B. Okay, it is antigen B and it antibody B. It's a matched. This matched blood transfusion does not occur. Okay, then here recipient antibody B and the donor antigen A. The blood transfusion is a safe. Okay, because it's antibody B, it's antigen A. It's no problem. But recipient antibody B and the donor antigen B, the both B, the blood transfusion is not happen. Okay, this is a simple idea. It is a simple idea. Okay, guys, the clamping of RBC disruption occurs when the blood one person is mixed with a serum or blood and okay. Look at guys, RBC disrupted or destroy may occurs when the blood one person is mixed with a serum of blood of another person. This is due to, what is it due to? Antigen antibody reaction. Yes, it is answer. Okay, antigen antibody reaction is lead to what happened? The antigen antibody reaction is lead to the clamping of RBC. Okay, ready. Okay, you understood? So say the super question. The antitoxin no. The antigen no. Antibody no. The antigen antibody reaction is lead to clamping of RBC. Option A is the answer. Okay. The next question. The following table, yes, fill the table. Fill the table. It's a simple questions. Okay, guys. Fill the table. How to fill? Come on, give the answer. A and E. Group. Antigen antibody AO. B antigen A ABO. AB is a nil. Okay. The O antigen nil, antibody A and B, and only O. Okay, guys, it's fill it. O is one is a nil. All are nil. Okay, nil, and 2 is nil also. 2 is nil. 2 options. Yes, 2 is nil. Yeah, 2 is nil. The 3 options are given. and 3 is anti-AB, anti-AB, anti-AB. It's anti-AB, this gives and anti-AB, okay, and only O. Yes, option D is the answer. Okay, option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Okay, it's a good question, good question, good question. Okay, next question. D is the answer. Okay, okay. The next question. Go to next question. Next question. Anti-A, anti-B antibody are not found in which of the following blood group? Here, antibody A and B absent. Antibody AB absent which blood group? Antibody AB absent which blood group? Come on. Antibody absent which blood group? You know? Come on. Antibody absent which blood group? Come on. Which is answer? The option AB. Yes, AB contain only two antigen, A antigen and B antigen, but antibody AB absent. Antibody AB absent in AB blood group. Option A is the answer. So simple question. Simple questions. Ready? Okay. Next question. Blood of AB. Okay, guys. Next question. The blood of AB group cannot be given to B group patient because the blood. Okay, blood of AB group cannot be given B group because what happened? First of all, the B group antibody is A. Okay, the B group antibody is antibody. B group contain antibody. It's antibody. Okay, it's antibody A, and AB group contain A antigen. Okay, because the patient is a blood cannot be given because patient has antibody B. No, the patient lack of antibody. No, the patient lack of antibody A. The patient has antibody A. Option D is the answer. Okay, 22. Okay, 22. Which is answer? 22. Option D is the answer. Okay, guys, it's a simple question. The next one, 23. What is the correct for blood group O? What is the correct for blood group O? What is the correct for blood group O? Come on. No antigen, but both A and B antibody are present. Yes, correct. O group no antibody. Both A and B antibody are present. Okay. A antigen and B antibody. A antigen? No. Both antigen and okay. A and B antigen and AB antibody are present. No. Option no antigen, but both A and B antibody are present. Okay. Which is answer? Option A is answer. Okay. 23. Option A is answer. Okay. Good question. Good. The next question. The certain road, guys, a certain road accident, patient with unknown blood group. Okay. The road accident, a patient unknown blood group need immediate blood transfusion. Okay, need immediate blood transfusion. Is one doctor friend at the offer his blood. Okay, doctor friend offer the blood without checking, no checking the blood group. Compatibility, no checking. What with the blood group? Okay, group of donor. Okay, you understood? Not checking the blood transfusion is occurs. Which blood are transfer in patient body? The donor blood group B no, blood group AB no, blood group A no, the blood group O because it's a universal donor. The blood group O is a universal donor because which blood is donated? Blood group O blood group is donated because yes, you understood. O is the universal donor. Ready? Okay, ready. The next question, come on guys, 25. 25th questions. 25th, come on. Which of the following blood group is a universal recipient in blood transfusion? Who is universal recipient? The O group is universal donor. O group is universal donor. Who is universal recipient? The universal recipient is group AB. The group AB is the universal recipient. Okay, the universal recipient is AB group. Okay, ready. The 26th question, come on. 26th question. In which of the following situation there is a risk factor for children acquiring erythroblastosis fetalis. You know, erythroblastosis fetalis. This condition is related to the father is positive blood group, the mother is negative blood group. The negative mother carry the positive blood group baby. Ale. Yes, that condition lead to erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay, come on. The mother is Rh negative, the father is Rh negative. No, the mother is Rh negative and father Rh positive. Yes, this condition is erythroblastosis fetalis. Which is answer? Yes, give the which option B is the answer. Okay, the 27th question. 27th question. Mother fetus Rh blood type incompatibility disorder can occur if the mother is Rh negative and the father is Rh positive. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Okay, ready? It's a simple question. Then simple. The next question, come on. The coagulum is mainly formed of the network thread is called. Which network thread? The coagulum is mainly formed of a network of thread is called. Which thread? Thrombin thread? No. Is a tunica intima? No. Lact? No. Which is answer? It's a fibrin thread. Yes, it's a fibrin thread. The coagulum mainly formed of a network of thread called fibrin. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. So simple questions. Okay, ready? Okay, guys, you can follow. You can follow. Come on. The next question, 29th question. Conversion of, look at next question. Next question, come on. The conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin is catalyzed by. Who is the catalyzer? Who is the catalyzed reaction? Come on. Conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin is catalyzed by. Conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin is catalyzed by. Who is catalyzed? Thrombin, thromboplastin, prothrombin, and all of this. Come on, which is answer? The platelets, tissue thromboplastin, thrombokinase, prothrombin, thrombin, fibrinogen into fibrin, thrombin. Who is thrombin? Option A is a thrombin is the answer. The thrombin convert fibrinogen into fibrin. The answer, option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Come on, next question. Next question. Come on. Give the answer. Okay, statement. Two statement is given. Come on. The prothrombin is essential for blood clotting. Okay, prothrombin essential for blood clotting is good. Correct. Prothrombin is essential for blood clot. Okay. Fibrin are formed from the inactive fibrinogen in the plasma by enzyme thrombokinase. Correct. Options are correct. The thrombokinase is options are correct. Prothrombin is essential for blood clotting. Okay, correct. Prothrombin essential. Okay, good. Statement is 1 is correct. And statement 2, fibrin are formed from inactive fibrinogen in the plasma by enzymes called thrombokinase. Prothrombin is a thrombin. Thrombin convert fibrinogen into fibrin. Prothrombin, thrombokinase. Okay, which of this option is correct? Which is answer? Come on, which is answer? Who is answer? Come on, guys, come on. Correct. Is it correct? Statement 2 is correct? No. Statement 2 is correct? No. Because why? Well, you know, the fibrinogen, the inactive, okay guys, the inactive fibrinogen convert into fibrin, which is a thrombin, not a thrombokinase. Okay, the prothrombin convert into thrombin is a thrombokinase. Okay, the statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Okay, 13. Okay, 31 the question. 31. Okay, 13. Oh, it's a big question, guys. Oh, big question. Big questions. It's a big question. Okay. Consider. Okay, I think you see. Okay, you read it. Was it difficult? No problem. Oh, you like problem? Okay, I'm just reading. Okay. Okay. Consider the following statement A to C, each with the one or two blank. Okay. The dash are the most abundant cell. Who is dash? Is a neutrophil. Yes, neutrophil is given here. 1 no basophil. Option D no. Okay. The neutrophil are the most abundant cell, 60 to 65% of total WBC, and they are least. Who is least is a basophil. Option 2, basophil is here. Okay. Among them. Okay. I thought, and the next 4, fibrinogen. The 4 is 4. Okay, look it right. During the clot formation, the fibrin are formed by the conversion of inactive fibrinogen. Yes, correct. Fibrinogen is correct. Fibrinogen in the plasma by the enzyme is called thrombin. Yes, thrombin convert into fibrin. Yes, option A is correct. Yeah, option E is correct. A is correct. Okay. The confirm. Option A is correct answer. Okay, not loss of your time. Is correct. Sure, it's a correct answer because don't waste time. Okay. Otherwise, a master cell. No. So no. Okay. The 32 question. 32. Okay. 32. Come on, guys. The next question. 32. Yes. The prothrombin which help clotting of blood is released by prothrombin. Prothrombin is released by who is monocyte? No. Erythrocyte? No. Lymphocyte? No. Blood platelet? Yes. Which is answer? Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Okay, ready? It's a good question. It's a pure NCERT question. The next question. Okay, it's a clotting reactions is given here. Okay, look here, guys. It's a clotting reactions is given here. Look here, guys. The injury tissue release tissue thromboplastin, the blood platelet and release platelet thromboplastin. Two type of thromboplastin. Okay, tissue thromboplastin, platelet thromboplastin. Tissue thromboplastin, platelet thromboplastin. The two thromboplastin is converted into thromboplastin is with the help of calcium is converted to thrombokinase. Which option is thrombokinase? To one option, only one option is thrombokinase. Okay, thrombokinase. Okay, thrombokinase. Look here, guys, you study this year. Okay, this flow chart, maximum you take the screenshot of this section. Okay, this section screenshot because it's very important. It's a very important. Okay. Okay guys, look here. It's a very important. Okay, come on. The thrombo is a injured tissue produce tissue. Okay, tissue thromboplastin and platelet thromboplastin is converted to thrombokinase. Okay, thrombokinase. Okay, the thrombokinase convert the prothrombin into thrombin. Okay, the thrombin convert fibrinogen into fibrin. Okay, you understood? Okay, it's a symbol. Okay, which is answer? Come on, thrombokinase. Is option A is given because thrombokinase, not a thrombin. It's a confusing. Okay, it's just confusing. Thrombokinase and thrombin and fibrinogen. Option A is the answer. It's a good question, guys. Super questions. Okay. The 34. The next 34. Okay, 34 question. Question number 34. Okay, 34. If a thrombin, B is a thrombokinase, C is a fibrin, D is occasion of clot by formed element, then what will be the correct sequence of involvement of blood clotting? Yes, blood clotting reaction, the order. A is a thrombin, B is a thrombokinase, C is fibrin. The first producer thrombokinase, B is first. No option. B is first. Okay, B is first. Thrombokinase. And then Then is thrombin. Thrombokinase convert prothrombin into thrombin. A. Option A is here. And thrombin convert fibrinogen into fibrin. C is here. C is here. And the yes, clot is okay. Okay. Option D. Which is answer? Option C is the answer. It's a good question. Which answer? Option C is the answer. Okay. 34 option C is the answer. Okay. Next. Okay. Good question. Then 35. Okay. 35. Okay. 35. Okay. The removal of calcium from freshly collected from the blood. Removal of calcium. Your calcium is removed. Freshly collected blood. Okay. You just take here some blood and you removed. Complete calcium is removed. What happened? The delayed clotting. The causes delayed clotting. You know the calcium important for your blood coagulation. Calcium only know it's a vitamin K, and the calcium ion is very important for your blood clotting. Who is the reaction? You know we are already studied this reaction. Yes. Look here guys, calcium is important. Like calcium and vitamin K is very important for blood clotting. It's a catalyst. The calcium is a catalyst. Okay, the calcium is very important. Okay, calcium. Okay, the first of all, next question. Come on, it's a good question. Yes, the removal of calcium from freshly collected blood. Okay, freshly collected blood, the calcium is removed. What happened? Causes delayed clotting, prevent clotting, causes immediate clotting, and prevent, come on, and prevent the destruction of hemoglobin. Which is answer? Causes delayed clotting? No, it's a prevent clotting because calcium absent, the clotting does not occur. The prevent the clotting is the answer. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Okay, so good question. Okay, good question. Okay, the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, good question. Which of the following statement is correct? Guys, okay, are you okay? Okay, ready? You can follow? You come on, follow. Okay, come on, guys. Not tired. Okay, our I think the May 3rd. May 3rd means our NEET exam is May 3rd. Just look here, guys. The May 3rd. May 3rd first Sunday. Our NEET exam is conducted. Today 16. This December contain only 14 days. January is 30 and February is just 30. Just imagine this is 30 and March is 30 and April is 30. Okay, just calculate how many days your exam. Yes, 149 only. Just 149. Okay, your NEET exam. Just 149. Okay, guys. Just 149. Okay. And total, how many chapters you want to study? Total, I think 60 or 65 chapters. Zoology, botany, chemistry and physics. Total 65 chapters. Okay, 65 chapters we want to study and 149 only our NEET exam. You must delay. You delay your time. You engage it completely your NCERT book. Okay, come on, guys. Next question. Come on. Which of the following statements are correct? Calcium is necessary for blood coagulation. Is correct. Statements are correct. Yes, correct. The factors for clotting blood are present in the plasma in the blood. Factors are clotting blood are present in the plasma in the blood. Okay, correct. Okay. The clotting of blood involve change the fibrinogen to fibrin by thrombin. Okay, the blood involves change the fibrinogen into fibrin by thrombin. Is correct? Yes. Blood clotting involve cascade process involving a number of factors prevent always in the active. No. It's an inactive form. The statements are incorrect. 1, 2, 3. Which is answer? 1, 2, 3 is the answer. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3 is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, you understood. It's a simple question. It's a simple. The next topic is lymph. Okay, our NCERT topic lymph is the next topic. Lymph. Okay, the next question. Give me answer. The most our cell are surrounded by. Come on. The most of our cell are surrounded by. Okay, it is a cell. It is cell. It is cell. It is cell. The cell surrounded by blood? No, not a blood. The cell surrounded by specialized fluid. That fluid is called a tissue fluid. Blood? No. Fluid no. Interstitial fluid? Yes, that is a tissue fluid. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, the interstitial fluid is called a tissue fluid, not a pure water. Okay, option C is the answer. It's a good question. It's a good question. Okay, the note is this question. Okay, the cells are surrounded by which type of fluid? That is tissue fluid or interstitial fluid. Okay, the next question, 38. Good question. It's a super question. Which of the following statement is true or true for lymph? Okay, please note this question your NCERT book. Please note this type of question because it's important. WC plus serum? No, that is not a lymph. Lymph is blood minus RBCs and some proteins is given blood lymph. Okay, the lymph contain blood, but RBC and some proteins are absent. Okay, it gives is a lymph. RBC, WBC is a no. RBC and protein no. The answer is blood minus RBC and some protein. You give the lymph. Option, which is option? Option B is the answer. It's a good question. Please note your NCERT textbook. Okay, please note your NCERT textbook. Okay, next question. 39. Okay, the question number 39. Okay, the 39th question. The lymph serve, okay, lymph serve to return their interstitial fluid, the blood, return the WBC, RBC into the lymph node, transport carbon dioxide lymph. No, is no, which is answer? Simple, the return to the interstitial fluid to the blood. The lymph server to, okay, option, which is option? Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Okay, guys, option A is, okay. Oh, you give an answer. Oh, I'm C. Mubarak Ansari. Okay, good. Option B. Option B. Option A is the answer. Which question you? Okay, ready. Mubarak Ansari. Okay. Option A is the answer. Good. Okay. The next 40th question. Read the following statements. Come on. The next question. Give the answer. Read the following statements and the correct options. The fluid present in the lymphatic system is called lymph. Statement is correct. This statement is correct? Yes. Study only. Okay. The statement is correct? Yes. These statements are correct. The lymph collected by the elaborate network vessel and the drain is back to the major vein. Yeah, this is NCERT. Yeah, your NCERT line. The lymph is collected by the elaborate network of vessel and the drain is back to the major vein. The statement is correct. Yes, is your NCERT statement. Your NCERT statement. Yes, option B. The statement 1 is correct, but statement is incorrect. Oh, no, the two statements are correct. Which is answer? Which Mubarak Ansari? Come on, which is answer? The fluid present in the lymphatic system is called lymph. Okay, correct. And the two statements are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, good. Okay, good. The next question, the 41. Identify the incorrect statements. Okay, identify the incorrect statement. The lymphocytes are a granular lymphocyte. Incorrect statement is correct. The granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocyte, the basophil, neutrophil, eosinophils are granulocytes and the lymphocytes are agranular leukocytes. That's correct. Is correct. The next statements. The lymph is a red-colored fluid with a specialized lymphocyte. Is a red-colored is problem. No, it's an incorrect statement. Confirm the B, option B is incorrect because the lymph is a red-colored, not a red-colored. Okay, which is option B? Good. Yeah. Yes, steady. Okay, good. Super. Ansari and Steady only. Okay, option B is correct. Okay, good. Super. Option B is the answer. Okay. Okay, option B is also 41. And 42, question number 42. Okay, question number 42. Come on, which is answer? Which of the following statement is incorrect about lymph? Again, incorrect statement. The four statements are given. Which statements are incorrect? Which statements are incorrect? Come on. I'm every day 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. 32 chapters. Your NCERT textbook. First year and second year topic. Complete NCERT questions. Okay, the different materials. Okay, look here, guys. The NCERT, Masters NCERT, and Syngage, NCERT Syngage, good questions. And the NEET guide material is a good material, and the NCERT punch, and the next material is a NCERT fingertips, guys. The full biology question we want to discuss. You can crack NEET easily. You follow me, and you every day 6 o'clock come on and join our NEET question discussion class. Okay, guys, you understood? Okay, every day. Okay, the full question we want to discuss before your NEET exam. Okay, a single chapter contains 500 questions. You can crack NEET easily. 500 above questions, not 100 questions. A single chapter contains more than 500 questions. More than 500. You crack NEET easily. When to crack NEET easily? You serve your question. You serve your time with the help of biology. How to save the time with the biology? Yes, you crack NEET 60 minutes, which means 60 minutes, which means 1 hour. Use the 90 question. Not understood? The 90 question you solve within 60 minutes. Okay, understood? 1 hour, just 60 minutes. You solve 90 question. All biology question. You crack NEET easily. First of all, you want again, you repeat question. Okay, ready? Okay, we are going to questions. Okay, which is answer? Only yes. Mubarak Ansari, only is incorrect. Yeah. Okay, the lymph is colorful as it has hemoglobin. Okay, all of you come and join our class every day morning 6 o'clock. Okay, every day morning 6 o'clock I take the 100 questions in every chapter. Okay, in 32 chapter in the different material. Okay, every day. Okay, the lymph is colorful as it has hemoglobin but no RBC. Yes, the statement is incorrect. The question is incorrect statement. Yes, incorrect statement. Okay, the statements are incorrect. Okay, it contains specialized lymphocytes which are responsible for immune system. Is correct. The lymph is an important carrier for nutrient and hormones. Yes, correct. The fat absorbed through lymph in the lacteal present in the intestinal villi is correct. Option yes. Answer your correct answer. Is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Come on. The circulation pathway. The next topic of our NCERT. The next topic of our NCERT is circulatory pathway. Okay. 2 types of circulation is given here. Okay. 2 types of circulation: open circulation and closed. The open circulation system present in and 2 types of open circulation, 1 and 2. Which is answer? Give me answer. The open circulation present in 1 and 2. The platyhelminthes is circulation is present. The platyhelminthes is option D. Yes. Option D is answer E. No, steady only. Okay. Look here, guys. The platyhelminthes is organ level, not organ system. Not in the circulation. No, here mollusca is no mollusca. Okay. And arthropod and platyhelminthes, no platyhelminthes. Annelida is a closed circulation. Arthropod is open circulation, but arthropod is a open circulation, and the mollusca is open circulation. Option D is the answer. It is arthropod is open circulation and the mollusca is open circulation. Option D is the answer. Okay, guys. Okay, it's good question. Next. The read the following statement and select the correct option. Come on, which is answer? Come on, guys, which is answer? The four-chamber heart present in birds and crocodile. Correct. The four-chamber heart present in. Any answer? D. Okay. The four-chamber heart present in birds and crocodile. Bird have two separate circulatory pathway. Bird have two separate circulatory pathways. Correct? Yes, correct. Because yes, B. Yes. Because pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. Two types of circulation present in bird. Which is answer? Which is answer? Option? Yes, option. B is answer? Everybody A, B. Everybody okay. Which is answer? 40. The both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, A is answer. The option A is answer. Okay. Good. No problem. The bird have two separate circulatory pathway, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Just a confusing question, statement 2. Don't worry. Okay. Next question. Read the following statement and select correct one. The next question. Come on. Super question. Come on. Which is answer? Okay. Fishes possess single circulation is correct. Fish possess single circulation is correct. The reptile and amphibia have incomplete double circulation. That statements are correct. Okay. Reptiles and amphibia have incomplete double circulation. Okay, correct. The bird have double circulation is correct. Bird have double circulation. And all vertebrates possess a muscular chambered heart. Yes, that options are correct. Which means all this. Which options are correct? 1 and 2, 3 only. No. The option D, all of this. The all options are correct. Okay. Option D is the answer. Okay. Option D is the answer. Okay, D. Select the correct option. It's all of this. All are correct. Option D is the answer. Okay. The next one, 46th question. Come on. The 46th question. The chordate tendinae are found in. Chordate tendinae. Yes. Chordate tendinae are found in. Come on. Chordate tendinae are found in. The ventricle of brain. No. The joint of leg. No. The ventricle of heart. Yes. Atria of the heart, no, it's a ventricle of heart. The chordate tendon are found in the ventricle of heart. Option C. Yes. Good. Steady. Okay, Mubarak. Okay. C. Mubarak. Okay. C. Okay. Which is answer? Option C is the answer. The next, the given figure show when the vertical section of human heart is a big question, guys. Oh my goodness, it's a big questions. Okay. Oh, you can. I think you have see. Okay, no problem. You can see. Okay, no problem. Okay. Reading. So difficult? No. Oh, so no clarity. Are you okay? No. So difficult. Okay. Look here, guys. First of all, it's a symbol. Okay. First of all. Who is this? It is aorta. B. Who is B? It's a pulmonary vein. Okay. No. B is a pulmonary artery. Okay. B is pulmonary artery. Who is C? C is pulmonary vein. It's a pulmonary vein. Okay. Aorta. Option A is aorta. B is pulmonary artery. And C is pulmonary vein. Give me the answer. Okay. You crack. Only enough. A aorta. Okay, guys, look here, guys. A aorta. Okay. And B, pulmonary vein, not a pulmonary vein. Not option A. It's a pulmonary artery. Yes, it's pulmonary artery. And superior vena cava. No, not option C. And D, superior vena cava, not option D. Which is answer? Option B is the answer. Okay. Option B is the answer because aorta, pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein is a big question. Okay. Okay, you understood. So very easily crack. Very easily crack. No loss of time. Only within seconds, we can crack the big question within seconds. Okay, next, the 48 questions. 48 question. Good question. Which of the following is correct about the human heart? The volume of both atriums. Good question. So good question, guys. All of you guys, come on. Good question, super question. For which of the following correct about a human heart? Give me answer. Anybody, come on, quick, come on. The volume of both atria is bigger than the volume of ventricle. Is correct? The volume of, come on, the volume of both atria, the volume of both atria big than volume of both ventricle? No, the volume is big, the atrium is small. The statement is incorrect. Okay, option B. Okay, B. Okay, the volume of both the ventricle is greater than the volume of atria. Yes, the ventricle is big, the atria is small. Option B is the correct answer. Not equal and no. Okay, option B is the answer. So simple question. Okay, the next. The 49th question. Okay, the 49th question. Read the following statements carefully. Choose the incorrect one. Read the following statements carefully and choose the correct one. Okay, the heart is situated in the thoracic cavity slightly. Is that right? No. Slightly left side. Heart tilted to left side. Okay, not the right side. Look here, guys. It's carefully choose the incorrect one. A is incorrect. Confirmed. You because I read NCERT much more time, I confirmed. Okay, option A. Not other option, no loss of time. Okay, no, don't waste your time. You confirm option A is the answer. Okay, go to your next question. Because we serve your time, we want time. Okay, the atrioventricular septum is thick fiber is correct. Human heart has 4 chambers is correct. Semilunar valve and opening to the right and left ventricle into the pulmonary artery and yes is correct. Or confirm option A is answer. Okay, the 49th question. Okay, then that's the 50th question. 15. Okay, the 50th question. Come on. If due to some injury, the caudate tendinae of the tricuspid valve, it's a trapped question. Just note, guys, it's just a trapped question because tricuspid valve. What means tricuspid valve? The tricuspid valve present in the right side of the heart. Okay, the right side of the heart. Okay, the right side of the heart. If look, guys, the injury caudate tendinae of the tricuspid valve of the human heart is partially non-functional. Okay, what will be immediate effect? What will be the immediate effect? Option B. Mubarak Ansari, option B. Okay, confirm. Okay. The human heart is partially okay. The flow of the blood in the aorta will be slowed down. No. The pacemaker will stop working. No. The blood will turn the flow back into left atrium. No, because not a left atrium, because the valve is no, it is right side. The caudate tendina is completed in right side. Look here, one option is given here. Option D is here. The flow of blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced. Yes, it is answer because I'm sorry, look here, because why this answer? Because look, it is our heart. Okay, it is right atrium, it is left atrium, it is right ventricle, it is left ventricle. Okay, it is the caudate tendina. This caudate tendina is injured. Okay, the right ventricle pump into blood lens is through pulmonary artery. Okay, the caudate tendina is injured. What happened? The blood pump, look here, guys, which the flow of blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced because the caudate tendina affected into the right side, the right ventricle caudate tendina affected into pulmonary artery. The flow of blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced. The answer option D is a good question. Good question. Okay, super question. Okay, you again read this question. Don't worry. You again just okay. You just I'm sorry. Once again read. It's a good question. Okay, ready. It's due to some injury, the coded tendina of the tricuspid valve of the human heart. Okay, tricuspid valve present the right side of the heart. Okay, the human heart, the partially non-functional. Okay, what will be the immediate effect? Okay, the flow of blood into the aorta? No. Aorta is a left side. Okay, the pacemaker stop working. No pacemaker, no affected pacemaker. Okay, the blood will tend to flow back into the left atrium. No, it's a right side. Okay, the coded tendon of the right side, not the left side. Okay, is the best answer. Which is best answer? Option D is the best answer. Okay, ready. Okay, Ansari, I thought you understood. Okay, Ansari, are you okay? Mubarak Ansari, okay? I thought you understood, Ansari. Okay, now complete 15 question. Now complete 50 question. Actually, it's a 7:30. Actually, today I have a offline class, a special offline class. I go into the class. Okay, the questions. The 75 questions are pending here. Today night 8 o'clock. Okay, you join with the class. Today 8 o'clock. Today 8 o'clock you join with my class. I am discussed again today. Okay, today 8 o'clock. Today night 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm discussed this question. And thank you for joining, guys, our class. I am enjoyed your okay today. If you want more information about my class, you join my WhatsApp channel. I put the link in the description box. Okay, and I'm sorry. See you today night. Okay, you come again. I am enjoyed this section with you. Okay, you come in night section. Okay, you come in the night section. Night, I think night 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Okay. Today night 8 p.m. you come in and join with my class. Okay. See you next class. And bye bye. Okay, guys. See you next class. Bye bye.